Rochelle. We're gonna do a little half up hairstyle with just a set of hair sticks. Oh my gosh, I got these new in. They're Millie. We got these on the website. So stinking cute. Do you see that sparkle? And they're real stones too, so you have to check it out. All right, we're just gonna make our first little twist really tied up for our half up bun. And then after we make that first one or two, we're gonna make it loose, okay? So then we'll just make it loose like so. And I just have a small little bun here. I'm gonna go in, out with that stick, touch that scalp, gathering that scalp hair, and back into the bun. And I'll actually do that on the other side too. So grab that main part of that bun, go out that 1 inch towards that ear, touch that scalp, get that scalp hair gathered up, and let's go back and in. There's our cute little Millie hearts. I love it. Then at this point, you can go ahead and stretch out your bun, your half bun, as much as you like or want. All right, have a blessed one.